Hello everybody, I'm Chandranshu Jain and today I will be installing PostgreSQL. Yesterday we have seen how SQL and database management is useful in data science industry and business and marketing because data is everywhere and we need the skill to manage data. We also saw that there are many platforms or softwares available for database management like MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server and PostgreSQL, and we will be working on PostgreSQL. To install it, we will go to PostgreSQL download. We will go to PostgreSQL download and then we will go to Enterprise DB because this is a platform which allows and manages PostgreSQL. There are different versions 14, 13, 12 for PostgreSQL available on different platforms Linux, Mac and Windows. Now 34-bit Windows are not common or available. Mostly they are 64-bit. So we will be doing it in 64-bit only. We'll click the 64-bit download and we see that the downloading has begun and it will begin shortly. It's a 284 MB file. So we see that the PostgreSQL has been installed and we will start by allowing it to make changes. We'll go by clicking in next. Next we'll type in a password. It is a master password and we need to remember it because when we log in to start working on it we will need to enter it. This is a port number. We will click on next, click on next and now it will be installing. So we see that our installation has about reached its end. It's almost the last 2 or 3 stages. So we see that our SQL has been downloaded. Now we will install the stack builders. We will download the database server for the installed one, and next we will next click next and next. So this will be installed. The installation has begun and it will be installed in about 15 to 20 seconds more. See that the installation has completed. Now click next. Click on next, 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 next. Click on OK. So now we need to restart our computer.